Yo, YouTube, what is going on? So, you probably found this video because you're searching for a method on how to get free gems in Brawl Stars, and I'm gonna show you a brand new 2024 QR code that's gonna supply you with a bunch of free gems in Brawl Stars, and it's super easy, guys. You're gonna be able to get 950 gems. And if you know the cost of gems in Brawl Stars, they are certainly not cheap. So, 950 gems, 360 costs around $25 US. So, it's probably around $60 US for 950 gems. And I've managed to find a Brawl Stars QR code for free gems. And I'm gonna show you exactly where it is now, guys. So you've got to have your mobile phone ready to scan this QR code that I'm going to show you. If you're on your mobile phone, you can screenshot it and open it up in your pictures or photos app and click on it, and it will take you to the website to get your free gems. So get ready, guys, scan this QR code and it's going to get you free gems. So scan that, guys. And that is the best QR code I've managed to find for Brawl Stars, and that is going to get you a bunch of free gems. So, hope you found this video useful. I know it is a quick one, but yeah, I was searching for ages, and I thought I'd share it with you because this is definitely the best QR code. I was searching all over the internet, on the Brawl Stars website as well, trying to get some free rewards. And yeah, I'm really pleased to have found this QR code. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.